So hi Paul, this is what happened. This is my iPhone. This is the home button that you changed, and as you can see there's no spring load. You know, the button is dead, and if you put your fingernail you can catch it. See, if you put your fingernail you can catch the top. So the button is there. The button is right there. It's just that it doesn't work. Okay. And it's recessed. Very different from my iPad. If you look at my iPad, if I run my fingers through it, you won't catch. And there's a spring, you know. There's a spring. There's no spring. I'll turn it on here on top. Slide through here. And I'm using this remote button now. And I'll go to settings. And this is general. About. So I guess this is what you want. The iMay modern firmware. So this is what happened. You know, it worked fine for 3 days, but now the button is recessed. I don't think I can show it, but oh, you can see it there. It's sunk. See, the button is sunk. It's recessed in there. And you can see I didn't drop it. There's no scratches on my screen. My screen looks fine. You can see it on the back too. The back side of it is just dirty. But it looks fine. It's just, don't know what happened. It just stopped working. Nothing. So I'd appreciate a refund, and I'm gonna change it at another store, and I'll send you the parts if you want to. Thanks.